College is a time of great responsibility and freedom for many new students, and being out on one's own has plenty of potential. Unfortunately, many young adults act irresponsibly, and I'm sure most of us in here probably know somebody who has a great person who has unfortunately slipped up and been charged with a Class C misdemeanor, such as maybe minor in possession of alcohol. Now, that can permanently go on someone's record and really affect the rest of their life. However, in Precinct 4 of Lubbock County, they offer a pre-plea program that, taking the right steps, the student can have this Class C misdemeanor rescinded from their record. So I believe that Lubbock County should make it a requirement for all the precincts in the county to adopt this pre-plea program. First, we're going to go over what the program actually is. Second, we're going to look at the issues with the other precincts not adopting this program. And third, we'll hear the reasons as to why the other precincts could feasibly do this program. Okay, so what is a pre-plea program and what is a Class C misdemeanor? Well, according to the Texas Penal Code, Chapter 3, Section 12.03, a Class C misdemeanor does not impose any legal disability or disadvantage, and it shall be punished by a fine not to exceed $500. So some common examples you can see listed here are disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and minor in possession of alcohol. So who is this program offered to and what are the requirements? Well, according to the Texas Tech Law School's 2010 newsletter, the pre-plea program in Lubbock County is offered to minors between the ages of 18 and 21 who are first-time offenders with the Class C misdemeanor. Now, this program is 9 steps, and once completed, the Class C misdemeanor can be rescinded. So Precinct 4 works in conjunction with the Advanced Dispute Resolution Center to make this possible. So let's take a look and see what the issues with the other precincts not adopting this program are. So here we have a precinct map of Lubbock County, and we have to ask ourselves, well, why did Precinct 4, as you can see in the blue in the upper left-hand corner, why did they adopt this program? Well, according to the Daily Torador in October of 2017, Precinct 4 adopted this program to give Texas Tech students a second chance. And so when we look at this map, if you can follow my cursor here, you can see right there where Texas Tech is at, in Precinct 4. So it makes sense that Precinct 4 would do this. But what is the issue with the other precincts not doing this program? Well, according to the Lubbock County's Local Rules of Procedures and Decorum for Justice of the Peace Courts, published in 2012, in Chapter 3.1, cases are to be filed in which filed in the precinct in which the offense occurred. Now, how does that affect other students or any minors? Well, if you look at my cursor here, where that's at is the local, Broadway area that many Texas Tech students go. So if someone were to say get a minor in possession or a public intoxication at, say, Chimmy's, they wouldn't be offered this program because that is Precinct 3. And many students live down here near the Tech Terrace area and the southern area. Again, if something were to happen there, they wouldn't be offered this program because that's either Precinct 2 or 1. So let's look at some of the obvious solutions as to why the other precincts, or how the other precincts should adopt this program. So first, by all the precincts adopting this program, it would offer equal opportunities to all minors, not just Texas Tech students. It wouldn't be geographically limited to this great opportunity that can be offered for kids. Second, it would be extremely feasible to do. According to the NOLO's Legal Encyclopedia, state legislation has already made it possible to implement a pre-plea program, and it even encourages precincts to do so. As far as implementation, that would also be pretty feasible and fairly easy because Precinct 4 has been doing this for over 10 years. All the other precincts would have to do is follow the model that Precinct 4 has done and work in conjunction with the Advanced Dispute Resolution Center like Precinct 4 has done. So we know the program, we understand the issue with the other precincts not adopting this, and we can see the obvious solution. And so this is why I believe that Lubbock County should make it a requirement for all the precincts to adopt this program. So, like I said earlier, I'm sure many of us know someone who has been a great kid in just one unfortunate accident and one unfortunate night they might have slipped up and gotten charged with this misdemeanor. In Lubbock County, it would be a great opportunity for the young population to have this available everywhere and anywhere that they might accidentally or slip up. So as Jacob Windsor, a graduate student in biology from Midlothian, said to the Daily Torador in 2017, we are not perfect. We are prone to making mistakes, but I also think that it allows for a lesson to be learned. This program isn't condoning student behavior, but the program also isn't condemning somebody's life. This program would be a great opportunity for many students, and I firmly believe that Lubbock County should adopt it across the entire region. Thank you.